Come on, my feathered friends. Time to head inside. Here you go, my little friends. That's it. Eat up. Easy there, girl. Just a bit more. You like that, don't you? There you go, nice and fresh. That's right, drink up. Good girls. Howdy there, fine day for farming. Giddy up, old girl. Ah, a fine day for mowing. Look at them deer watching me work. Keeping it tidy. There we go, one more. All right, let's get this load to the barn. Here you go, girls. Fresh hay for my best cows. Eat up now, plenty more where that came from. Easy there, fella, almost done. Looking good, boy. That's it, girls. Keep on moving. Good cows. Almost there now. Good boy, always right by my side. Woo! That's my pal.